Greetings class, Mr. Munir here with your first engineering sketching lesson. Okay, so I'm going to make this one short and sweet. What's the deal here? As promised, you have a short sketching lesson due this week in the beginning of next week at the same time as your fan car project. Now, how is this assignment going to work? Well, I'll give you the rundown. First, you're going to watch a video of a great artist teacher who's going to teach you a really cool tip of how to sketch 3D objects. After you watch that video, you're going to do a simple assignment. Once you're done with that sketching assignment, you are going to take a picture of it and submit it on MyCCA in the assignment that's titled Sketching Assignment Number 1. Simple as that. All right, so let's get right to it. How do you figure out what to do exactly? Well, you go to Topics, and then here you see Sketching Lessons, and I have the sketching playlist on YouTube, or you can just play it right here in MyCCA. Here's Lerone. He's a nice guy, good artist, great teacher. And I'm creating a playlist because this is not going to be the only sketching lesson that we'll do, and they'll all be on the exact same playlist that'll be linked here. So you're going to watch this video, 17 minutes. Feel free to skip through if you like. The point is not for you to watch the whole video if you get the point of it. I'm never going to be checking to see if you've watched the whole video, but here's the deal. It's a really good video. It's only 17 minutes, and you learn a lot. So once you finish watching the video, he's going to guide you through a bunch of techniques that are really cool, and you're going to learn how to draw shapes like this really simply. He does it really quick and makes it really easy. And once you've watched the video, you are going to do this assignment. Now, what is this assignment exactly? On the same piece of paper, hopefully you have like a blank white sheet of paper, like a computer piece of paper, or wait a second, didn't you guys buy sketchbooks? I think you did. So use your sketchbooks if you've got them. If not, it's cool. Any paper is fine, even if it's just lined paper. I don't care. I'd like it on one blank, nice, white, clean sheet of paper if you have it. Okay, with your piece of paper and your pencil, please no pens, pencils, you are going to sketch 1, 2, 3 shapes. And your first shape is going to be a simple shape like a cube or a cylinder or something like that. Your second shape is going to be more complex and have at least one curved edge. And your third shape is going to be complex, have at least one curved edge, and a hole cut out of the middle of it. With those 3 shapes, you're also going to have some shadows and shading showing where light is hitting the object and where light is not hitting the object. And your light should come from the same direction. For instance, I show with the arrow here, the light is coming in this direction. And so light is hitting the top here, and it's casting a shadow in the same direction on all these shapes. Okay, so he teaches you how to do these techniques. I'm not going to teach you that. That's not what this video is about. It's just telling you what the assignment is. So you're going to sketch these 1, 2, 3 shapes. Make sure you follow these instructions of the requirements for each shape, and then include shadows being cast and appropriate shading. And once you've done that, go ahead and submit it on MyCCA sketching assignment number 1. You take a picture of it, submit it on sketching assignment number 1, and you are done. Last little bit, when is this due? It's due the same day as your fan car project. So for both of my blocks, let's take a look. For my block 1 class, this will be due for you on Monday, and for my block 7 class, this will be due for you on Tuesday, the 28th. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys have fun with this. To give you a gist of the basic idea, so I don't just kind of leave you in the dark, as engineers, we solve problems. And when you come up with an idea, one of the problems that you have is it's just in your brain. And you've got to solve that problem if you want to convey that idea to someone visually. And yeah, you could go ahead and make a CAD model, but chances are the first thing that you're going to do when you come up with some new idea is you're going to draw a simple sketch. And so the goal here is to help you develop your abilities to sketch. So when you come to a place where you have a problem, that is, you come up with an idea and you need to convey it visually, you're able to solve that problem with the power of sketching. So that's the idea. I hope you have fun with this. I hope you're enjoying class. I love you guys. You can always catch up with me on chat. Send me a message. I'm available, and I love to help you guys out. With that being said, that's it for me for now. Until next time, enjoy engineering.